Hello, I'm Masaru. This time, I will introduce Japanese-style meat and potato stew. Japanese meat and potato stew is called NIKUJAGA and is one of Japan's most representative home-cooked dishes. It's so popular that it's ranked #1 in men's list of dishes they want their girlfriends or wives to make. It may be popular because the soy sauce-based broth has a gentle and soothing taste. It's very easy to make, so please watch till the end. This channel introduces tips to make Japanese home cooking exquisite. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. It will motivate me to create future videos, and I would be very happy. The details of ingredients and quantities are listed in the summary section, so be sure to check it out. Now let's get started on cooking. First, cut onions. When cutting vegetables, make them the same size to eliminate uneven cooking. Cut the onion in half, then cut it into 6 equal pieces of the same size. Cut the other half of the onion into 6 equal pieces. Approximately is fine. Next, cut potatoes. Peel potatoes and remove any sprouts. Cut them into roughly the same size like this. This time, cut the potato in half and cut it into quarters. Cut the other potatoes in the same way. Soak the cut potatoes in water to remove the scum. Soak them in water for about 5 minutes. While the potatoes are soaking, prepare the other ingredients. Cut carrots. Peel the skin first. Cut the carrot in half, then cut it in half again. Then cut diagonally to the same size. Cut the thread konnyaku into about 4 centimeters pieces. Prepare a bowl in colander, place the cut konnyaku threads in it, and pour boiling water over them. This removes the unique smell of konnyaku. Cut the pork belly into 3 to 4 centimeters pieces. You can use any size that is convenient for you to eat. Place the pork in a cooled frying pan without oil. Fry the meat using the oil from the pork belly. By arranging the meat one by one, it will cook evenly. Once the meat is about 80% cooked, remove the meat. Drain the water thoroughly from the potatoes that were soaked in water. While the meat oil is still in the pan, add the potatoes, carrots, and onions and saute for about 3 minutes. The vegetables absorb the oil from the meat, which gives them flavor. Stir-frying the vegetables first helps prevent them from falling apart. After stir-frying for 3 minutes, add the stir-fried pork and konnyaku to the pan. Stir a little and mix with the vegetables. Season the meat and potatoes. Add water, sake, granulated bonito stock, and honey. Do not add soy sauce yet. Adding the sweet seasoning first makes it easier for the flavor to infuse into the ingredients. Turn the heat to medium and simmer for about 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir the broth to even out the flavor. Once the soy sauce has been absorbed, reduce the heat to low and cover with a droplet. I use aluminum foil for the droplet, but you can use anything. Simmer over low heat for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes have passed. Check if the potatoes are cooked through by pointing them with a bamboo skewer. If the inside is hard, put the droplet on again and simmer over low heat. When the potatoes are tender, reduce the heat to medium and simmer for about 5 minutes more. If you stir the ingredients, the potatoes will fall apart. By pouring the broth on top like this, you can prevent the potatoes from falling apart and evenly cook them. If you stop the fire here and let it sit for about an hour, the ingredients will soak up more flavor and become tastier. Don't forget to cover and let it rest. Bring the stock to a boil again and add soy sauce to taste to adjust seasoning. Since the amount of water content varies depending on the size and quantity of vegetables, adjust the taste by adding soy sauce at the end. Add soy sauce at the end to enhance the flavor. Finally, check the taste. Now let's put it on a plate. Sprinkle some green onions for color and it's done. The Japanese-style meat and potato stew is complete. This is a flavorful dish with flaky potatoes and meat soaked in soy sauce and stock. Now, let's eat!